Hi there, Melody from WTI. And if you're looking to give your table a little extra je ne sais quoi, let me tell you something that you need to get all the compliments that you're going to want. Although you might have a beautiful table set, without a runner, it's boring. This 15 by 72 Boho knit runner is made out of 100% cotton, so it's going to be awesome to just pop in the washing machine when it gets dirty. The timeless design has so much texture in it. It's full of detail, including these fun fringes that I absolutely love. It's perfect for everyday use, but it's also awesome for those special times too. And with 16 colors, you can get a couple different ones. So if you wanted to add a little pop of color without having too much stuff on your table, I highly suggest this gorgeous Farmhouse braided runner. I'm in love with it, and I know you will be too, and that's my point of view.